Hi guys, myself Nazim. Today we are going to talk about the best panel, how you can buy the YouTube subscribers watch time to monetize your YouTube videos and get the income from the YouTube videos. And guys, I will give you some beautiful and best tips and bonus tips that you will get in the last session of this video. Please watch full video to get helpful needs. Without wasting our time, let's start. First we have to go to Play Store, then type Indian Smart SMM Panel. Then there is a Smart SMM Panel. I already installed. If you need, you can install it. Then I click on the open button. It shows it's the beautiful interface that like this. If you are a new person to this Indian SMM panel, you need to sign up. If you are existing person in this smart panel, you click on the sign in. So I am an existing person. I will put my link and the email address and a password that I wanted to put in this. So just I remember. Click on the sign up. If you are a new person to this, you can sign up. I am an existing person, so that's why I will sign in. So now it seems Indian Smart SMM panel. If you wanted to know something about this panel, I will show you that. If you wanted to get subscribers, you need to unhide your subscribers from your subscriber account in your YouTube channel. First we have to highlight the something from this. This is the home button where you can get the subscribers. There is a affiliated link. You can get it. This you will get amount if you referred from any friend, any of the person. You will get 5% commission on this. The minimum payout is $10. Then we have to go order history. This is the order history where you get order pending, in progress, completed, partial, processing, cancel. The next one is contact us. You can contact them by giving a ticket. Then add friend. You can add fund by phone pay, Paytm. Choose if you wanted to know, show more, and then you can add by your directly bank account, perfect money pay, Skrill. This will shows the beautiful interface that you can. It gives you best payment methods like phone pay, Paytm and other things. Then we have to go. There is a support factor, question answer, API, open website, rate us, share with friends, app info. We need to buy something like subscribers. If you are a new member for this SMM panel, you will get the SMM panel free trial services. You don't need to pay anything for this. You will get free Instagram followers for this if you are a new person. If you are an existing person, you don't get anything. Now we need to do, there is a cheap service, Snapchat service, YouTube views, YouTube target views, YouTube watch. We need the YouTube subscribers as well as YouTube watch hours, AdWord views and YouTube time booster. So for example, if I click on this YouTube views, first we have to select the service, that is YouTube subscriber, then package which you wanted to know. There is a package recommended YouTube subscribers. Maximum you can get 80k subscribers, 35 days guarantee. Then minimum 5, maximum. This is the description where you can read it and get it the points. Then average time is 1666. Then this is the box. You have to choose your channel link or your video link where you can get. If you wanted to get watch hours, you can add the channel link, you can add the video link. If you wanted to get subscribers, you will add the channel link. So next, this is the quantity where how much you want that blah blah blah. Then after that, place an order. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I will give you the bonus tips. Guys, don't buy these SMM panels subscribers and watch time, the followers. this is the bot followers. You can't get anything beneficial from this SMM panel. That are the fake SMM panel. Just I showed you how you can buy it. Don't buy it from this SML or any other SMM panels, because if you are a best content creator, you will get lot of subscribers, watch time, and in the sufficient time you will get maximum views as well as subscribers. Then your channel will got the monetization policy where YouTube partner policy. So don't get any cheated and don't give any money to other people who have told and promised you to give you 100% satisfaction of subscribers and watch time. So thanks for watching this video. If you are a new member to this, please subscribe to our channel for latest new updates. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you need anything other topic related videos, please